Flight of resilience, triumph amidst the storm. Once upon a time, high above the vast blue sky, a thrilling and heart-pounding adventure was about to unfold. Captain Ethan and his courageous crew were piloting a massive passenger jet through a stormy night. Little did they know that this journey would put their skills, bravery, and the power of teamwork to the ultimate test. As the plane soared through the turbulent clouds, the passengers clung tightly to their seats, their hearts racing with trepidation. Suddenly, a deafening thunderclap echoed through the cabin, causing everyone to gasp in fear. The plane was struck by a bolt of lightning, and alarms blared throughout the cockpit. Captain Ethan's hands trembled as he fought to regain control of the aircraft. The navigation systems flickered, and the engines sputtered. The situation seemed dire, but Captain Ethan's determination shone through. He knew he had to keep a cool head and make split-second decisions to ensure the safety of everyone on board. With the plane losing altitude rapidly, the crew members sprung into action, braving the chaos with unwavering courage. The flight attendants reassured and comforted the passengers, their smiles and calm voices a beacon of hope amid the chaos. Passengers, too, rose to the occasion, offering words of encouragement and support to one another. As the crew battled against the elements, a glimmer of hope appeared on the horizon. Captain Ethan spotted a small remote island in the distance, an unexpected opportunity for an emergency landing. With their last ounces of strength, they steered the struggling plane toward the island, praying for a safe touchdown. In a breathtaking display of skill and bravery, Captain Ethan guided the plane down, inch by inch, defying the odds. The wheels made contact with the ground, and the plane skidded to a halt, finally coming to rest on the island's sandy shore. Cheers erupted throughout the cabin as everyone realized they had survived the near disaster. On that remote island, a new chapter unfolded. The crew and passengers, united by their harrowing experience, worked together to build a makeshift shelter and gather supplies. They transformed adversity into an opportunity for resilience, forging deep bonds of friendship and camaraderie. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months as they awaited rescue. During that time, they discovered hidden talents within themselves and learned invaluable life lessons. They realized the strength that comes from unity, the power of staying calm in the face of adversity, and the importance of cherishing every moment. Finally, the day of rescue arrived, and the once stranded survivors were greeted with tears of joy and relief. As they boarded a new plane, ready to return to their loved ones, they carried with them a renewed sense of gratitude and purpose. The story of the nearly crashed plane became a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the extraordinary things that can be achieved through teamwork and unwavering determination. It served as a reminder to treasure every moment of life, to cherish the connections we forge with others, and to face challenges head-on with courage and unwavering hope. And so, as the plane ascended into the sky once more, each passenger and crew member carried within them a newfound appreciation for the precious gift of life and the unbreakable bonds forged in the face of adversity.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.